morning, everyone. This is Widya Herawati reporting live from the city centers for Mercu Buana News. Thank you for joining us today. Let's begin with our top story. Since this morning, the rain has not stopped. Many people are using umbrellas and wearing raincoats. The roads are wet and some areas are flooded. Cars are moving slowly and people must be careful when walking or riding motorcycles. Some shops are still open, but the streets are not very crowded. Many people just stay at home because of the heavy rain. And a local man said, "This is the heaviest rain in this month, and I hope it stops soon." The weather office says the rain may continue until tonight. They ask everyone to stay safe and watch for the news updates. That concludes our news update for now. Please take care, stay dry, and continue to follow safety guidelines. I'm Widya Herawati reporting live from the city centers. See you in the next report and thank you for watching.